Listen to the recording and choose the correct answer for each question. Let's begin.
First, you have some time to read question 1 to 7. Listen carefully to the audio and answer the following questions based on what you hear. Write your answers in your notepad or comment section of this video.
Today, I am excited to talk about a timeless and profound concept: knowledge is power. This phrase, coined by Sir Francis Bacon, shows how valuable knowledge is in our lives. It underscores the idea that with knowledge, we have the ability to shape our futures, influence others, and contribute positively to society. To understand the true power of knowledge, let's delve into a few compelling examples and case studies. First, think about the story of Malala Yousafzai. Malala's journey from her home in Swat Valley to becoming known around the world shows how knowledge can give people the power to fight unfairness and change communities. Her commitment to education not only changed her own life, but also inspired millions of people everywhere to support the right to learn. Malala Yousafzai was a young girl living in Swat Valley, Pakistan. She loved going to school and learning, but there were people in her country who did not want girls to go to school. They even threatened to hurt those who tried. Despite these threats, Malala kept going to school and speaking out about the importance of education for girls. Her bravery led to a terrible event where she was attacked and seriously injured. However, Malala survived and continued her fight for education. Malala's story didn't end there. She became a symbol of hope and courage for many people around the world. She spoke at important events, met with leaders, and received the Nobel Peace Prize for her efforts. Her work showed everyone how powerful knowledge can be. It can give people the strength to stand up against wrongdoings and make a big difference in the world. Through her story, we see that education is not just about learning facts. It is about gaining the power to change your life and help others. Malala's dedication to education shows us that when we value knowledge, we can overcome big challenges and inspire others to do the same.
Now, you have some time to read question 8 to 12.
Next area is technological advancements. In the world of technology, we can see how powerful knowledge is. Think about Steve Jobs, the co-founder of Apple Incorporated. He had a deep understanding of technology and big, creative ideas. Because of this, he helped create amazing products like the iPhone, iPad, and MacBook. These inventions changed how we talk to each other, work, and have fun. Steve Jobs' story shows us that when you mix special knowledge with creativity and hard work, you can make big changes that affect whole industries. He knew a lot about technology and had many creative ideas about how to use it. Jobs helped make new products like the iPhone, which is a smartphone, the iPad, which is a tablet, and the MacBook, which is a laptop. These products were different from anything people had seen before and quickly became very popular. The iPhone changed how we use phones. It combined a phone, a camera, and a small computer into one device. The iPad made it easy to carry a computer that you can use with your fingers. The MacBook became a popular choice for people who needed a powerful and stylish laptop. Because of these products, the way we communicate, work, and have fun has changed a lot. We can now easily send messages, make video calls, work from anywhere, and play games or watch movies on the go. Steve Jobs' story teaches us that having special knowledge and using it in creative ways can lead to amazing new things. It also shows that if you keep working hard and don't give up, you can create things that change the world.
Now, you have some time to read question 13 to 20.
Next area we have medical breakthroughs. Knowledge is also very important in medicine. A great example is Dr. Jonas Salk, who developed the polio vaccine. Before the vaccine, polio was a terrible disease that caused many people to become paralyzed or die. Dr. Salk did a lot of research and understood viruses very well. Because of his hard work, he created a vaccine that saved many lives and got rid of polio in most parts of the world. This shows how scientific knowledge can solve big health problems and make life better for millions of people. Polio was a scary disease that affected many people, especially children. It could cause paralysis, which means people couldn't move parts of their body, and sometimes it even caused death. This made polio a very serious health problem. Dr. Jonas Salk was a scientist who studied viruses, which are tiny germs that can cause diseases. He spent many years researching how to stop the polio virus from making people sick. He used his deep understanding of virology, which is the study of viruses, to develop a vaccine. A vaccine helps the body learn how to fight a virus without getting sick. Dr. Salk's polio vaccine taught people's bodies how to protect themselves from the polio virus. After people started getting vaccinated, the number of polio cases dropped dramatically. Thanks to Dr. Salk's work, polio has been eradicated, or completely eliminated, in most parts of the world. This means that very few people get sick from polio anymore. Dr. Salk's story shows us how important scientific knowledge is. By understanding how diseases work and finding ways to stop them, scientists like Dr. Salk can solve big health challenges. Their work saves lives and improves the quality of life for millions of people around the world.
Now, you have some time to read question 21 to 28.
After this, let's study the importance of knowledge in social change. In the area of social change, knowledge is very powerful. Martin Luther King Jr. had a deep understanding of history, philosophy, and religion. This knowledge helped him lead the civil rights movement. He knew a lot about nonviolent resistance and could clearly explain the unfair treatment of African Americans. His words and actions inspired the country and led to important legal and social changes. Dr. King's story shows that knowledge can be a strong force for justice and equality. Martin Luther King Jr. was a key leader in the civil rights movement, which worked to end racial discrimination and promote equal rights for all people in the United States. He was well educated and knew a lot about history, philosophy, and theology, the study of religion. This helped him understand the best ways to fight for justice. He learned about this approach from the teachings of Mahatma Gandhi, other leaders who used peaceful methods to bring about change. By using his knowledge, Dr. King could explain very clearly why the treatment of African Americans was wrong. He gave powerful speeches, like his famous I Have a Dream speech, which moved many people to support the cause. Because of his leadership and the efforts of many others, the civil rights movement achieved important victories, such as the Civil Rights Act of 1964 and the Voting Rights Act of 1965. These laws helped end legal segregation and ensured that African Americans had the same rights as everyone else. Dr. King's legacy shows us that knowledge can drive significant social change. By understanding history, philosophy, and religion, and using that knowledge to advocate for justice, we can help create a fairer and more equal society.
Now, you have some time to read question 29 to 38.
While these examples show amazing achievements, it's important to remember that knowledge helps us in our everyday lives too. Whether it's making good choices about our health, handling our money, or knowing our rights, knowledge gives us the tools to deal with life's challenges with confidence and skill. When we understand basic health information, we can make better choices about our diet, exercise, and medical care. This knowledge helps us stay healthy and prevent illnesses. For example, knowing the importance of a balanced diet and regular exercise can lead to a healthier lifestyle. Knowing how to budget, save, and invest money helps us manage our finances better. This can mean understanding how to save for future goals, avoiding debt, and making wise investments. With financial knowledge, we can secure our financial future and reduce stress about money. Being aware of our legal rights protects us in many situations. This could be knowing our rights as a consumer, an employee, or a citizen. For example, understanding tenant rights can help us if we have issues with a landlord, or knowing our rights at work can help us address unfair treatment. In all these areas, knowledge gives us the confidence to make informed decisions. It empowers us to handle everyday challenges effectively, leading to a more competent and fulfilling life. To sum up, I could say, the power of knowledge is boundless. It enables us to innovate, heal, advocate, and lead. It transforms lives, communities, and nations. As we continue to seek and share knowledge, we must also recognize our responsibility to use it wisely and ethically. Remember, the pursuit of knowledge is a lifelong journey. Let us embrace it with curiosity, humility, and determination, knowing that through knowledge, we have the power to make a difference in the world. Thank you.